If you download your app from the App Store, but you come to know that these apps are not shown on your home screen, it might be because these apps are in your app library. And to prevent this from happening, make sure to watch the video to the end and subscribe. So open settings on your phone.
Home, settings, to new items. Settings.
So right here, you're going to look for home screen.
Set, app, white, focus, general, button, control, display, and home screen, button. Newly downloaded apps, heading.
Newly downloaded apps.
Add to home screen.
Add to home screen.
Selected, AppLibrary only.
Or AppLibrary only. So as you can see, AppLibrary only is selected. That's why if I download these apps, it automatically goes to AppLibrary. But if I want it to be on my home screen,
add to home screen.
I will select these options.
Selected, add to home screen.
And from today, if I download these apps, it will automatically be on my home screen, which means I don't need to go in my app library to look for this app anymore. So tell me in the comment section if I was able to help you out, and don't forget to share this video to anyone who needs this help. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video.